Hey guys, this is an exciting video for me. I was given the opportunity by Drop to give my unbiased review of a product of theirs. Well, what kind of product, you ask? They collaborated with Marvel to make this Black Panther themed keycap set. Now let's get into it and take a look. Right off the bat, we have this really cool packaging with this Black Panther artwork on the sleeve cover, and the lettering says Black Panther. And on the back, it says Infinity Saga. The inner box is sleek black with a minimalist Drop and Marvel branding. Inside there are 3 trays of keycaps, each with a layer of bubble wrap between the caps and the top of the tray. This is actually my first experience with MT3 keycaps, and I must say these are packaged really nicely. Unlike certain premium keycap sets that are packaged with recycled material that allows the keycaps to flip and move around all over. These keycaps are an MT3 profile, which is Drop's proprietary keycap inspired by old terminal keyboards. They're made of ABS with double shot legends and have a high profile, but compared to an SA profile, they're a bit shorter. I have to say, I love the color scheme. It has dark purple for the alphas, black for the modifiers, and lavender for the legends. Of course, being that this is based off of Black Panther, it has a few character-based novelties such as T'Challa's necklace, his mask, and the ancestral plane. We also have a couple of Marvel logo keycaps. Now let's see how this looks on different keyboards, starting with my ID80. This looks nice. I think it works well with a silver case. I'm going to try this out on my Tokyo 60 and see how that looks. Yeah, I think this set works best on a black case. It looks sleek, and having all black really makes the purple shades pop. I think these are staying on this board for the foreseeable future. It has a deep thock and feels very similar to SA keycaps, and just like SAs, I think it has some getting used to. My only complaint is that these scooped home keys feel a bit weird, and I wish they had regular profile home keys included as well. All in all, I really like how this looks. I think it's really nice quality with sharp and consistent legends, and I look forward to trying out other MT3 keycap sets. Thanks again to Drop for sending me this set. I think I'm really gonna enjoy using it. And thanks everyone for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye!